His father is a farmer as well as a cattle rearer. Their family lives in a small village called Samtlang, which is about 10 kilometers from the state capital, Aizawl. Zarzo Lianafanai follows in the footsteps of his father. He now manages the deep fresh milk supply chain in Aizawl city, which distributes fresh milk every morning. A young entrepreneur, Zara, as he is called, used to help his father whenever he had a free time. Growing up, he had to pursue his education and look for a job elsewhere. He was finally employed as a middle school teacher on a contract basis, which is not a permanent one. It was about 10 years ago when he left his family and moved to his new place of posting. When his contract ended about 6 years ago, he had to get back to farming, helping his father at Samtlang village. It was in 2016 that Zara started selling milk in Aizawl city, which the family produced. Zara felt that he needed to increase the production as demand for fresh milk was high in the city. But he had to compete with the already established producer, which has a base in Aizawl city. They are the Mizoram Milk Producers Cooperative Union Limited, Malco, operating under the aegis of the state government. Malco distributes huge quantities of milk in different parts of the city every day. They make pasteurized milk, curd, ghee, paneer, and lassi. It was in the year 2019 that Zara decided to increase his production after careful study and in-depth research done by him. But to do that, he needed money. He approached many banks in Aizawl, but he did not find any bank that could help him. He needed a packing machine, big freezers, and few helping hands. Finally, he approached Netfee, where he found just what he needed. He went down to Kolkata and bought a packing machine with the money he borrowed from Netfee, which he installed beside his home at Dwikwal locality in Aizawl. Zara collected raw milk from wherever he could find, some as far away as 10 kilometers from his home. Currently, he employs 4 people. Every day, 2 young men would deliver the packages to about 70 sellers in Aizawl. One helps him in the packing process and another helps him delivering in the nearby locality. Zara sells 600 to 700 packets of fresh milk every day. Each packet contains about 460 to 470 ml of milk, a little more than the content displayed on the packet. He sells one packet at a price of 27 rupees.
Nia bultan don kan poisa ngai nem sia mani capital kan nei box si lawa chuan beng sang sang han dora beidon ton nuwa Netfee hi kan lo hreta ti chuan office ate voleng kan har sanate kan soya anin kan har sanate rekhiam nei loan in pe ani awanga hi tun din muni thleng thei kan ni ani hi omlo sela chuan tun din muni kan thleng thei lawang heng kan generator te kan mamo sang kan lo nei heng te hi anin min ron tia wangin kan lo nei thei chunga kan lom khom mai changin bong te hi mun sang ami kan la khoma i Aizawl veng sang kan chevel mi kan la khoman ron da khom thina mamo chu kan longa khop mai he tuna hian in deep freezer a hian in bi bong te kan stock a henga te po hian milk chiller te kan mamo a I baka pasteurizer te kan mamo khualum sia bong te hi a chedu em maya da freeze thatlo chuan a chian in ngal maya chunga te chuan pasteurize chu han ni se I kha kholuma po a chelo de wanga ti chuan in production po tam thei jok do na ka du thu sa mania ka dream mania tin heng a product milk product pa ngai I tuai chuan bong te chok ngor kan ti da heng ba ka hian in bong te atanga thil siam chu milk product dang po hi siam chu lei karil ro rang amaro chu kan lein dei lo wang hian kalati thei ri lo ani.
Zara has a big plan of his own. He already bought a large area of land near his village where he plans to grow fodder and rear cattle so that he can produce more milk in the near future.